Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So, good news and bad news. Friday is a public holiday in Victoria, which means that we're not open on Friday for click and collect or phone calls or anything along those sort of lines. You can still send your emails, but they just won't get responded to till Monday morning. We won't be doing live stream this Friday. I know I hinted at, or actually blatantly said on last Friday in the live stream that we'd be doing it next week. We're not. I'd forgotten it was a public holiday. And Ruben apparently wants a day off, so we're going to have to cancel all of that. We're also won't be doing shipping out on Friday, and I know particularly with the dip in silver price that we had over last weekend and into early this week, the orders have been coming in thick and fast, so I know the guys are under the pump getting them out. So there will be a delay because of the public holiday. We won't be shipping out on the Friday, and we will be a little bit behind. So if your parcel takes an extra day or two to get to you, I fully apologise for it now, but don't worry, we are getting them out as quickly as humanly possible. That's all I needed to say. Enjoy your long weekend, whether you're in Victoria having the grand final weekend or whether you're in WA having, I think it's Queen's birthday weekend over there this weekend. But wherever you are, if it's a long weekend, have fun. Otherwise, just have fun anyway. See ya.